Hello and welcome to this video. I'm trying something new. I'm doing a voiceover. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to make a Valkyrie look from the movie The Lost Girls, and it looks much different than the normal Valkyrie looks you might consider. So I'm getting started with mixing some white foundation in with my normal to give myself a more pale gothic type look, and just putting the setting powder over it. And I'm going to use this e.l.f. gel liner, and the Valkyrie look, I will show it, what I'm kind of trying to copy here, is basically the eye, all the eye area is just dark, really dark. Actually, it doesn't even look like they're putting makeup on the actor when they do the look. It almost looks like it's more of a CGI effect, or just somehow kind of like it's an effect more instead of a makeup look, because the whole face changes in a way that, I don't know, it just doesn't look like makeup. So I feel like the look that I came up with is not anywhere close to the Valkyrie look on the show. Is more of a Valkyrie, Lost Girl Valkyrie inspired look perhaps instead. And honestly, I think it was a pretty big fail, but I want to go ahead and show what I did anyway, because I think that YouTubers tend to only show the things that they felt like were a real success, and they don't show you all the true work that goes into like trying to look and it being a failure and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I feel like overall this look ended up being a fail. It didn't look like what I wanted it to, but I wanted to show it anyway. And so the Valkyrie in the show, it's not like a hard, fast line around the eye like a raccoon or whatever, so I was trying to like smoke it out some. And also it was more gray, it wasn't black, but I don't have a gray. I feel like next time if I do this, I'm not going to use that eyeliner pencil to do the look. I would go into a black eyeshadow maybe, and it might have more of the muted gray look that I was wanting to go for, and it might blend more and fade more out instead of looking like raccoon eyes. So I don't know, if I ever try it again I might do that, but this is just, this is what I went with for now. And it almost looks more like a skull instead of the Valkyrie look that I was going for. And also the lips would turn gray, and so I didn't have anything, I didn't want to put eyeshadow or anything on my lips, so I just used a black lipstick, which does break from the Valkyrie look in the show. But this is the final look that I came up with. Again, it definitely was not what I intended when I went into making this look, but it's what I ended up with. So that's it. Thank you for watching.